Hello, let's explore some great, small factory business ideas with easy production and a stable local market. These are designed for accessibility and profitability, focused on community needs. Ready? First, artisanal soap making. This caters to the demand for natural and handmade products. Production is simple, needing oils, lye, and essential oils. The local market loves artisan soaps, especially with unique scents and packaging. Target farmers markets, local shops, and online sales. Next, candle making. Similar to soap making, it has straightforward processes: wax, wicks, and fragrances. Candles are timeless. Target local gift shops, home decor stores, and seasonal markets. Offer various sizes and scents. Then, consider personalized gifts. This includes engraved items, custom mugs, or photo albums. Production needs equipment like a laser engraver. The local market for unique presents is huge. Market through local events, online, and partnerships. Let's not forget baked goods. If you love baking, starting a small factory for cookies, cakes, or treats is a sweet idea. Production involves standard baking techniques. Cater to local cafes, restaurants, and grocery stores. Focus on consistent quality and delicious products. Another option is producing locally sourced food products. This could be jams, jellies, sauces, or pickles. Production involves straightforward preservation. The local market favors locally made and sustainable options. Sell at farmers markets and local stores. Emphasize ingredient quality and supporting local farmers. Next, small-scale apparel manufacturing. Produce t-shirts, tote bags, or simple clothing. Production needs basic sewing skills. The local market needs custom or branded apparel. Partner with local businesses for branded items and use online platforms. Focus on quality, design, and pricing. Consider eco-friendly cleaning products. Production mixes natural ingredients: vinegar, essential oils, and baking soda. The local market for sustainable products is growing. Target eco-conscious consumers via health food stores, online, and local markets. Highlight effectiveness, natural ingredients, and eco-friendly packaging. Then, handcrafted wooden items. This includes small furniture or decorative items. Production requires woodworking and basic equipment. The local market can be strong with unique designs. Sell through local craft fairs, online, and custom orders. Another idea is pet treats. Make and sell natural, healthy pet treats. Use pet-friendly ingredients and follow safety guidelines. The local market is consistent. Sell through pet stores and online. Focus on high-quality ingredients. Finally, customized stationery. This can be notebooks, journals, and greeting cards. Production involves printing, binding, and finishing. The local market is among students, professionals, and gift givers. Sell through local bookstores, gift shops, and online. Focus on creative designs and quality paper. These ideas provide a starting point. Remember, success depends on research, planning, and commitment to quality and service. Good luck!